can turn loud overnight. Promises fray and borrowed light. I've seen the shine, I've felt the fall. I've learned that nothing stays at all, except the way you say my name. Like it's not something I need to earn. In rooms where silence tells the truth, you're the place I always return. I don't need storms to feel alive. I don't need fire to know it's real. When everything is asking why you stay, emotes enough to heal. If I lose the ground beneath my feet, if every map I know is wrong, I don't need saving, I don't need proof, I just need you still holding on. When time forgets what it was for and faith feels thinner than before, if all I have is this one truth, I'm still here. I'm still here with you. I've seen love dressed up as demand, heard words that sounded just like plans. But you don't promise, you don't change. You give me room, you give me space. And in the quiet after pain, when I don't know what comes next, you don't explain the world away. You sit with me inside the mess. I don't need answers dressed as hope. I don't need vows that sound too sure. I just need the way you stay, when staying takes a little more. If the night decides to stay, if every future feels unclear, I don't need glory, I don't need truth, I just need you still here. And the years ask what survived when everything else disappears. I won't remember all I feared, I'll remember you were here, still here with me.
Love isn't loud. It doesn't rush. It doesn't beg to be believed. Love is who remains when there's nothing left
To prove